Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce for fruits. To begin, select ripe, flavorful fruits, whether fresh or frozen. Consider berries, stone fruits, or apples for excellent results. Gather your basic ingredients like a sweetener, a touch of liquid, and any desired spices. Preparing a homemade fruit sauce is a delightful way to elevate any dish. Start by combining your chosen fruit with about 1/4 cup of water or fruit juice in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until the fruit is tender and easily mashed. Use a fork or potato masher to achieve your desired consistency, from chunky to smooth. To enhance your sauce, consider adding a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract during simmering. A squeeze of lemon juice or a bit of orange zest can brighten the flavors significantly. For a thicker sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, then stir it into the simmering sauce until it thickens. Your homemade fruit sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic warm over vanilla ice cream, pancakes, waffles, or even stirred into yogurt. For storage, allow the sauce to cool completely, then transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.